Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Automotive. Today we have the 2019 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 High Country. This one is part of our pre-owned inventory and I just loved the spec on it, so I figured let's go ahead and spotlight it. Beautiful wood grain trim, really nice dark and brown leather. Grab this so we can look at it up front. Alright, so this is the original window sticker on this one. For the High Country trim, 56,300. It's not bad given what you get. So this one had options of the power sunroof, the iridescent pearl tri-coat, which is beautiful, C71 off-road package, which includes off-road suspension, hill descent control, skid plates, the air cleaner, and a Z71 badge. All in all, came to $61,350. It's not bad for what you're getting, in all honesty. Wait a minute. Oh, it's the GPS SD card. Aha. I was wondering why there was an SD card in there. Pull that up. Put that back in here. So this one comes with Sirius XM. So the brown is called Umber. That's a really good name for it. Nice sun visors. Everything's really high quality in here. Beautiful burnished brown kind of color. It's really pretty in person. You can configure your drive modes through a knob over here. You got Tour and Sport. Your electronic parking brake. So now that's set. To release it, push your foot on the brake, and you are good to go. So this has the 5.3 liter Ecotec V8, and it is an excellent motor. I also love how it's embroidered High Country up there. This is extremely luxurious. I can't think of another truck other than the Denali that's as luxurious as this. The seats are wicked comfortable. You have 2-mode heating and then ventilated seats. No complaints whatsoever. And it has a ton of power. For those curious of what the horn sounds like, there you go. Steering wheel is also heated, which is great. Ever since I got a car with a heated steering wheel, I've realized just how great of a feature it is, frankly. So I'm definitely glad that they added it. Visibility is really, really good. It's actually better than some cars I've driven. I do love the gauges. I think I'm one of the few people that loves the refresh that they did. I love the front end design. Some of them, like the ones that are full plastic, they can improve upon that. But this looks really good. At the end of the accelerator pedal, you do have a little notch called kickdown. So if you stomp it and then push a little bit harder, you'll feel a little click in the pedal, and that drops the transmission into the lowest possible gear it can go to for optimal passing power. Pretty ingenious idea. I think it originated with German automobiles. They had it first, and now it's started to become more mainstream. Go ahead, put it in low, and you can now use the manual shifting ability on the gear selector stalk. What's nice is you can just tap it with your pinky, so you don't really have to take your hands off the wheel, which is really kind of neat. Given the, well, frankly, huge nature of this vehicle, I thought it would handle a lot worse on this back road, but it is holding its own. It's actually fun. Going on to the suspension test. Really good, actually. Definitely surprised. Alright, thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.